Hello, today we will be comparing the iRobot Roomba E5 versus PUCRC PUCRC95. Be sure to watch to the end and I will you which is better. Links to all the product are in the description. Let's start. Suction power 1500 pascals and 1000 pascals. Winner iRobot. Next, battery life up to 90 minutes and up to 90 minutes. Draw. Next, dustbin capacity 500 milliliters and 400 milliliters. Winner iRobot. Next, water tank capacity, no mapping function and no mapping function. Draw. Next, mapping function, no, draw. Next, navigation, adapt navigation and basic random pattern navigation. Winner iRobot. Next, noisy level 16 decibels and 65 decibels. Winner iRobot. Next, self-inputting, no, draw. Next, dimensions 313 on 313 on 92 millimeters and 300 on 317 millimeters. Winner PUCRC. Next, width 3 kilograms and 2.8 kilograms. Winner PUCRC. If you want more suction power, long battery life and affordable price, which is better, the iRobot Roomba E5, the link to buy in the video description. Bye.